Welcome to the beautiful Tuscany, the region known for its vineyards and olive groves. We found another great spot to stay, an eco-farm that produces its own wine and olive oil. The great-grandparents of this family started this business, and the house itself is already 400 years old. You can stay here for free, but of course they'd like you to buy some of their products. And I was happy to do so, and I enjoyed a delicious breakfast with local products. I'm on a mission myself to eat more local and eco-friendly products. This wasn't like a pool yesterday morning, but obviously it cannot be always sunny, even in Tuscany. So we're trying our luck today. It is now dry. It was pouring this morning, but we will see. We're walking again, obviously, and we are going to visit the lovely city of Lucca. What is a bit different for us, here you have to walk on the side of the road a lot of the times, where in the Netherlands you have like sidewalks. You have sidewalks pretty much everywhere. So yeah, it's not that relaxing of a walk, but we will get there. Lucca is one of the oldest fortified cities in Europe and has a wall all around the center, on which you can walk and cycle. Lucca has a long history and well-preserved beautiful historical buildings and squares. The weather is definitely better than yesterday, but we still have to hide from the rain for a moment. We are not very lucky with the weather today. It is not as bad as yesterday, but still it's raining, and that is a little bit sad looking. But there are still people, and look at those beautiful buildings. I think it's a very romantic city for when the weather is nice, but still we're enjoying it, and we're gonna explore some more, and I think we're gonna grab a slice of pizza today. My first pizza. Let's do that. Wil je kijkers? Hey! Lily! Kijk eens! Lily! Hey! It's the week of Valentine's Day. Lola knows. She is stealing the hearts of some people again while I'm eating. Now that we're done with our tour, the sun finally arrived. Well, that's a bit late. The next morning we bought some fresh eggs and homemade olive oil and hit the road again to Pisa. Good morning from Pisa. We are leaving our, there she is in the back, our beautiful camper. We're leaving her here on this parking lot. Hopefully she's safe. We already spent one night here and now we are on foot going to explore Pisa. It is about 20 minutes walk, so that's okay. And yeah, we're gonna see if Pisa has more to offer than just the tower. We are now in the expensive shopping street in Pisa, and although it is not that warm, people are still sitting outside, so it's very nice to walk around and just look around, and yeah, it's a nice atmosphere. I'm not gonna say it in every video, but I think we're so lucky being able to visit places like these in off-season. I guess you have to be a little bit lucky with the weather. Well, we are very lucky today. There are enough people, but not too many. You can easily walk around, which is very helpful with Lola. She does not like to walk very slowly. So if you like historical cities and shopping, both Pisa and Lucca are beautiful cities to visit. And you don't have to bring water for your dog or yourself. There are enough water points. Now let's take a look at the tower. The star of the show is not really in working mode. She's like, let me just chill in the sun. So I didn't want to bring my big coat, so I had some layers, luckily, because again, as soon as the sun comes out, it is hot. So I have a little snack, something to drink, and now it is a challenge to have everything in my hand with her. So I always have her on me, like stuck on me. Lolly, Lolly. So we're gonna find a spot on the grass, hopefully in the shadow. We're gonna do some more chilling and we will continue to explore this square. I didn't get to film anything while eating because Lola got an overdose of attention. People from Shanghai, Spanish people, Italian people, they all want to pet her. And she loves it. As soon as you look at her, you will get kisses. Like a lot of kisses, like all over your face. So I just tell people, yeah, you can pet her, but she will lick you. And they are all, okay, that's fine. So it's funny. Yeah, we are gonna continue. I really want to get up the wall, so we're gonna try that. We sat down again. The day and the place is just too beautiful to keep walking. So we're enjoying it a bit more. That was amazing. It was so chill, but we did stay a little bit too long because now I ran out of time. Now I really have to go to the toilet, and that's one big downside of traveling solo with a big dog, because there's just no way you can go to the toilet somewhere. So we have to head back, and we will pack our stuff so we can leave tomorrow morning, and we will find a nice camp spot so we can do some laundry and things like that. So with that, we wrap up this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when we upload. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.